Hey kids, have you ever tried growing a plant? Like you got some seeds and you put them in the dirt and you always have to make sure you water them and give them enough sunlight, so they wouldn't die.
Well, in today's lesson, we're going to talk about how we can grow as followers of Jesus. The Bible talks about fruit of the Spirit.
The fruit of the Spirit aren't like grapes or apples. Fruit of the Spirit are good things that come from God.
The Bible gives us a whole list of them. Memory verse. But the Holy Spirit produces this kind of fruit in our lives: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control.
Think about which of those fruits are growing in your life and which aren't. God's Spirit is like a gardener in our hearts.
When we put our trust in Jesus, the Holy Spirit lives in our hearts.
It's kind of like a piece of God living inside of us. And do you know what His Holy Spirit is doing?
He's working on your heart to help you produce more fruits of the Spirit.
It's like a gardener watering the seeds and making sure they get enough sunlight so that they can grow big and strong. Our job is to stay connected to Jesus.
Jesus told His disciples that He is like the vine and we are like the branches.
Think about a grape plant. There's a big vine in the middle with a bunch of little branches with fruit growing from them.
Jesus is like that big vine down the middle, and we are like those branches.
When we stay connected to Jesus, we grow lots of fruit. But when we don't stay connected with Jesus, we grow nothing.
So kids, here's the big idea. When we stay connected to Jesus, people can see the fruit. When we stay close to Jesus by reading our Bibles and praying, we will produce even more fruits of the Spirit.
There's things like love, peace, joy, and patience.
When we are close to Jesus, people will see those things in the way that we act and speak.
So kids, next time you're trying to grow a plant, think of this lesson.
And remember, when we stay connected to Jesus, we will produce fruit of the Spirit.
Hey kids and parents, if you want to learn more about the vine and branches,
check out the links below.